All right, Ryan, here's a 347 small block Ford. Key description is combination. Got silver ass gas heads on. Holley manifold. Fuel manager Holley Terminator X. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got your front sump oil pan. March kit on it. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 383 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 415, peak horsepower 448, rated at 440. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, find the signal looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, takes you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.